New York stood up. DC stood up. Oakland and San Francisco stood up. Los Angeles stood up. Jackson stood up. Miami stood up. Atlanta stood up. Who knew that a 17-year-old boy would transform this nation? Who knew that 17-year-old boys would inspire those who were thinking it but never said a thing to say something? Who knew that a 17-year-old boy would inspire those who were saying it but never did a thing to do something? Some are calling this the second civil rights movement. But I think it's the new Great Awakening. As the embers of justice and change have been sparked in the hearts of men and women who have so often been in the shadows, previously untapped passion and potential inspired by unresolved questions, frustrations, and injustices have motivated them to step into the light and be heard. Some have written this off as a flash in the pan, a memory that will pass by fleetingly, a fire that will not burn long. Whoever they are, they have obviously not met me or people like me that refuse to let that happen. That refuse to let this be the end of Trayvon Martin's memory or the unrelenting mission of transforming this society from the projects to the White House. This incident has a new generation, socially engaged and inspired like never before, and we won't waste it being angry. We will use it to empower the communities around us and transform the nation around us. If the right people are in office voting to make all of our lives safer, then we will become the people in office. This is the end of being unseen, unheard, and unaccounted for. When we stand, we will rise together. No justice, no sleep.